everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. I am coming in with a roundup of my 5-piece summer nights collection. I do understand for many parts of the United States, up north and everything like that, it is freezing outside. However, here in Texas, it is in the 60s, and actually we had 3 days back to back where yesterday was 80 and humid. Well, at the time that I'm recording this, obviously this is pre-recorded, so but anyway, at the time I'm recording this, it was 80 the day before, and then 78, 79 the days before. So these pieces, definitely, when I did my video back in, I want to say I did the video back in May, I said I wasn't starting most of the pieces until mid to late summer and into fall. And so yeah, it's technically on the calendar still fall. Winter has not kicked in yet. The calendar hasn't said it's winter, although temperatures some places may say different. So I wanted to come in with a roundup because I know it has been some time. So I want to thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for tuning in today, and those who continue to tune in from week to week. By the time you are seeing this video, the next video, if you have not subscribed, you're new to the channel, you're interested in this type of content, pattern reviews, all of that good stuff, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. The video after this is going to be so fun. It's going to be a good one. And so you definitely want to subscribe and tune in for the next video, because that is going to be so good. And so in subsequent videos. So anyway, let me go ahead and just talk through what I did make. I'm not going to do a pattern review of everything. I just want to share a roundup of everything, because I have done pretty extensive reviews on all of these pieces. But I do want to share what will I be wearing into, it's technically fall winter. To be honest, maybe outside of this piece here that's on Lady Dane, everything. I can wear all of this into fall and winter here where I live in Texas. So I'm going to go in order that I had completed everything and give you, my final thoughts on them. The first garment that I made, and that is the this is the Vicky Sews, the llama blouse. And you all know, if you saw that video, there was a sew-in with Miss Pat, and we sewed it up together. You see her version, because this pattern calls to be sewn and woven. Of course, you all know, if I think I can get away with wearing it in another fabric, I will. And so I did, and it worked. I end up making it in this knit, and this was a knit from, I want to say this was Sincerely Riley Fabrics. And so it is absolutely beautiful, and they had so many colors. So I highly suggest, if you are looking for a knit like this, to go out to Sincerely Riley. I think that's what it is. I will link all of the videos in the description box, as well as what I can put in the iCards. But yes, absolutely love it. And absolutely, this will transition into fall perfectly fall and winter, long sleeve. And because of the what is this type of knit called, embroidered, oh gosh, it escapes me. You all know I said it in that other video, but at the moment that I'm recording, I can't think. But so in the summertime, definitely breathable. In the wintertime, definitely can be layered up quite a bit. The second piece that I made, you all know I was super excited about making this. This is a vintage pattern. This is Vogue. It's a very easy Vogue. This is 8926. You remember I bought this off of Etsy because I wanted it that bad. And this is the one I bought from an Australian Etsy shop. Absolutely love it. I did the longer sleeve version, and well, it's not long sleeve, it's this a little bit about elbow length. And so I am in love with this. It really works. I love the drape of it. I love the fit of it. And yes, I absolutely love this. And it goes, actually so far these items, all of these items go together. This was a special occasion piece, which was part of the theme for your 5-piece summer collection, that you might have a special occasion piece. That's what this is. We will talk about that next. Okay, you all know this is, out of all of the pieces that I made, this is the one I'm most proud of, because it was my first special occasion garment that I made, like on purpose. This is the Bagley Mishka Vogue 1861. I made view A and absolutely love it. If you all saw that video, feel free to check it out. Again, all of the video links will be down in the description box, and I'll put what I can up in the iCards. But you all know this was for our wedding anniversary. We went out to dinner, had a really good time, and this is what I made for that special occasion, and I just absolutely love it. Lady Dane is sporting her well. I did tighten this up because, you know, Lady Dane is not as full as I am. But when I tell you, I just love, 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 love this dress. And I used, of course, not the fabric that the pattern calls for. And because, you know, the pattern calls for more special occasion fabrics. Obviously, I did not use that. I used Ankara, and I just absolutely love, love, love how this turned out. I love the look. I love the fit, everything. Again, this was my favorite piece that I made of the 5-piece. It was the special occasion piece, and so absolutely beautiful. If you all didn't see that video, definitely go check that out. The next garment that I made, you all know this was a funny one, because it is it is the Jiffy Simplicity 9595. And as you can tell, actually the 3 jackets, and I'll get into the next one because this is black, you really can't see it from there, but the 2 that I just showed you, the Vogue jacket and then the llama blouse by Vicky Sews, they both go with this. So I can interchange those tops with this. If you did not see my review on this video, how to put this thing on, and the funnies, the giggles I had with showing you how to put it on, you have to go watch that video. Hilarious if I don't say so myself. But I absolutely love these. I am definitely going to make more of these in the spring. At least a couple more pair, because they're just so convenient. And the hack that I use to get in and out of it, again, go watch that video. I love it. And so this fabric I had in my stash for ages, at least several years, because it's a viscose challis. Again, I'm not going to go into a full review. Go check out the video so you can see the full review, everything I talked about with this. And yeah, absolutely love this. Highly, highly recommend. And then the final look was the Mimi G 2-piece Simplicity 9714. Was that it? Yeah, 9714. And so you all, I just posted the video, the review and everything of this. So definitely not, you just saw this video a week ago, or I don't know. Actually, by the time you're seeing this, I don't know how long ago it was. But it's the jacket. You all know I did the parachute buckle instead of the waist ties. I decided to do the parachute buckle. Go check that out. And then for the shorts, I didn't do shorts. I did and I didn't do the pants, so I did kind of in between. I wanted something that would go below my knees, slightly below my knees, because this is something I can still get away with in the winter months here. Is, you know, especially if I wear something during the day, because it's nice and sunny, and you know, it can tend to feel a little warm, but still covered up where I'm not overly cold or anything like that. So all of these pieces for sure hanging up here, definitely transition into fall and winter. This puppy, I actually need to take her to the cleaners, and I don't know when I'll wear again. I'm gonna have to find another occasion just to wear again something. even if I just wear it to church. Because that dress is gorgeous. So that is the roundup of my 5-piece summer collection. Let me know what you all think. What was your favorite piece? Will I do this again? I absolutely love it. I was thinking about it. I was like, it would be nice, and again, this wouldn't be into 2024 if I decide to do this, is because I absolutely love wearing dresses. I really do. I think it will be fun to do a 5-piece summer nights dress collection, something to that effect. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know your thoughts. But anyway, that is it. If I did not say what I am wearing today, it is like super casual. As you can tell, my hair is all pinned up. It's a casual day. But I just have on a tank. What is this? The Title by Love Notions, and then this here is that Simplicity, I can't remember, but it's the it's an out of print pattern. I made this for vacation, when I vacation, or no, I didn't. I don't remember, you guys. I'll just I'll link to the video down below. This is a duster, and so I will just link to that video down below, because this fabric came from my good friend Myra Lorraine, and this is a linen. But anyway, I can't even remember the name of the pattern or anything like that. I just remember it was Simplicity. But anyway, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. And again, I believe the next video you're going to see is going to be a good one. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. I appreciate your support. You all have a blessed rest of your week, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.